There's Sabrina interacting with the public, singing Valerie. But yeah, come on. Last day, so you're gonna make the most of it. Sabrina's still getting the subscribers, so I'll come back for a minute. Let her take the subscribers in. So we normally watch the football here actually. It's actually quite a little place, good little place, that TV screen. It's really big, really good. We're going to go down there, we're going to go to Legends. If you can't see it, it's right in the middle, loads of flashing lights, but there's so many flashing lights. So yeah. There she comes. So let's keep going. But yeah, we're going to go straight to Legends. Karaoke at the back of here. Loving it. Everywhere we go, the boys have got to do the punching machine. Yeah, I don't think he's landing very good. Oh, look at everyone in there. Jungle is popping off. Up in there. Oh, the boys are on it. But as I said, we're going down to Legends, so let's see. Club at the top's open. We've actually been up the top yet. We do want to get ourselves up there.